Hi there. Are you ready to unlock the power of language? Just imagine yourself confidently speaking English, whether it's for work or simply connecting with people from around the world. So, our 100 days spoken English course would be very beginner friendly, and you will get to know everything step by step. It will expand your vocabulary, build your confidence, and help to develop the fluency that you can speak effortlessly and very fluently. So, in our first class, we will learn to greet people because greeting is very important as you make connection with the people through greeting. So, by the end of this lesson, you will able to confidently greet someone, introduce yourselves, and ask basic questions about other person. Okay, so let's start with the basic. That every time we meet people, we say usually hi or hello. Hello is more formal, hi is casual, and then further you can say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time of the day. So now just everyone can say hello. Thanks. Wonderful. Now just imagine that you met someone and you want to introduce yourself, that hi, I am Shanchita, and what about you? What is your name? So in the response, when they told you their name or little details about themselves, then you can say it's really nice to meet you or nice to meet you. So this is a warm conversation that you have started. Now if someone asks you that what is your name, you can respond my name is and your name. So with this little basic structure, you can communicate with people and make a warm connection with them. And now you can further ask how are you, um, what are you doing. So they can, and in response you can also say that I'm good or I'm great or I'm not too bad. So जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सुनील जी आए हैं या सुनील बाबू, वैसे ही इंग्लिश में वी यूज मिस्टर और मिस और मिसेस. सो मिस्टर सुनील हैज अराइव्ड, मिस्टर सुनील हैज कम, मिस सुनीता हैज अराइव्ड. सो दैट वे वी इंट्रोड्यूस पीपल. जैसे हम हिंदी में हमसे जो छोटे हैं उनको तू कहते हैं या तुम कहते हैं, जो हमसे बड़े हैं उन्हें आप कहते हैं. However, in English we used to address everyone as you. There is no differentiation for elderly people or younger people. We used to call everyone as you. So if you add please, then it will make little polite, that can you please tell me where is the pen, where is my pen. So when you add please, it will make the sentence little polite. In Hindi or Bengali, we call mama, kaka, jetha, so they have different names. But in English, universally, we call them uncle, or the female person would be auntie or aunt. And in English, elders are respectfully addressed as sir. And similarly, any respected women can be addressed as madam. And for mama ka ladka, kaka ka ladka, we call them cousin. Not cousin sister or cousin brother. It's only cousin. Okay. So that's it for today's class. And in our next class, we will discuss further. And I know this is very basic, but you need to practice the basic things. Then you can go further with the higher levels. And I have a homework now. You have to communicate with your people, with friends, with your family or neighbors. Tomorrow, you have to greet people or your family members. Good morning, good night, sweet dreams, have a see you tomorrow, have a wonderful day. So these things, if you are not very comfortable, then start with recording on your mobile, or introduce yourself, or record yourself, either on the mobile or in front of the mirror would be better. uh, or you can comment down the introduction, not very big, 5 sentences, mainly your name, your place, what you do. So these things, comment down your introduction of 5 sentences. So comment down your introduction, and then in our second class we will discuss further. And after this 100 days spoken English course, you can speak fluently. If you practice a little, you can, if you listen to English podcast, films, or in general. So give a little time of your day and you will learn something very useful. But don't take much stress. Goodbye and see you in the next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.